Why do you prefer cycling?
I love the freedom it gives.
Why are you taking vitamins?
It's good for my skin.
Why did you choose this restaurant?
They have a nice ambience.
Why are you concerned about your test?
It's my final exam.
Why did you take up Pilates?
It helps with back pain.
Why do you enjoy cooking?
Kids healthier and eating out.
Why aren't you truthful?
I am worried about the reaction.
Why is reading your favorite hobby?
It keeps my mind sharp.
Why are you studying Spanish?
It's a widely spoken language.
Why are you helping at the charity?
I wanted to help others.
Why is not the printer functioning?
It might be out of ink.
Why did you start swimming?
I swim to be fit and relax.
Why did you call me today?
To invite you to an event.
Why did you relocate to this town?
Better schools for my kids.
Why do you seem cheerful?
I hate some good news today.
Why don't you rest a bit?
I don't want to waste time.
Why do you cherish time with your family?
I feel loved and supported.
Why did you start a new hobby?
It's a way to learn new skills.
Why did you decide to move house?
For better schools for my kids.
Why do you prefer tea over coffee?
Tea is less harsh on my stomach.
Why have you taken up meditation?
It helps with anxiety.